If you're aiming for the top marks in your maths at GCSE, you need to be confident with solving quadratic inequalities. Sound much harder than they actually are. Follow along, get this video saved so it's there for when you need it, that quick revision boost. Now, we're going to treat this as if it's equal to 0. We're going to do exactly the same steps to start with. You are solving a quadratic. There's 3 stages to solving quadratic, or 3 ways you can do it. Factorising, completing the square, or using the quadratic formula. I always like to see if it will factorise quickly first because that is the easiest way. I'm thinking using the AM method, 2 numbers that add to make 16, multiply to make 48 with negative 16. We have 1 and 48, 2 and 24, and 4 and 12. And I'm already seeing 4 and 12 are the 2 numbers that we are going to need. Now, to make positive 48, they both have to be negative or both have to be positive. In this instance, they're both going to be negative because we're trying to get minus 16, that negative 16. So our brackets are going to be x minus 4 and x minus 12 are less than or equal to 0. So what have we figured out by factorising them? We have figured out what our roots of this quadratic graph are going to be. We know that it is going to cross the x-axis at x equals 4 and x equals 12. The next step to these is to sketch them out. So x is 4, x is 12. It's going to be a quadratic curve, and it's a U shape because it's a positive x squared going through the y-axis at positive 48. Obviously not drawn to scale. And don't waste your time on drawing a perfect diagram. This is to help you understand the question. So that's our quadratic curve. And we want the values of x. Solve means work out the values of x for where it's less than or equal to 0. Now these is where it's less than or equal to 0. So what are our x values here? X is greater than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 12. And that is your solution. Okay, we're just using the graph to identify that. Follow along so you don't miss the next video.